How to access TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to access TikTok Shop whether you're looking to buy or start selling products. If you're a buyer, accessing TikTok Shop is easy. Open the TikTok app and look for the Shop tab at the bottom of the screen. You may find it around here. Usually, it is this tab wherein it says Friends. But if you don't see it, you can just tap the search bar and type in any product name. Let's try it. TikTok will show you shop listings and you can browse, add to cart, and check out just like a regular online store. For sellers, you'll need to register first. You can do this by opening a browser and go to seller.tiktokglobalshop.com, and then you log in using your TikTok account, then follow the steps to verify your business and set up your store. Once approved, you can start adding products and managing orders from the TikTok Shop Seller Center. And that's it. Now you know how to access TikTok Shop as a buyer or seller. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!